If you take a drone up over our pasture on a bright morning, you'll notice these wide, vibrant green swaths stretching out behind our mobile shelters. We like to call them pasture contrails. Right behind a shelter, it can look a little rough. The chickens forage, scratch the sod, and leave behind a heavy dose of natural fertilizer. To an untrained eye, it looks like the ground was decimated. But give that spot a short rest and a good rain like we've had recently, and that concentrated manure triggers pure biological magic. Moving these shelters daily gives our flock fresh greens while keeping them safe from overhead hawks. At the same time, it gives the soil exactly what it needs to rebuild. Within a week, the grass comes back thicker, darker, and more vibrant than before. That's regenerative farming in action, building healthier soil to raise better food for your table.